Okay, begin. What are you doing?
2 hours later.
Yes.
It's risen. Looks good. Now we can throw away this saran wrap. We're not going to use it anymore. Finally. It's the third job. Now we're going to work it on the counter. But I have to take my watch off first. I forgot.
That's a good idea.
And we have to scrape it out of the... It's airy, it's dark, nice. Scrape all of it off. Meanwhile, I've taken out, what's it called?
Baking sheet.
Baking sheet.
Here's a baking sheet with Teflon paper on it.
Ready for the 3 breads. And now we're going to add as much flour as you can take. White bread flour. And you do this by hand and a dough scraper. So I divide it into 3. This is going to make 3 breads. So
That's Narvik.
Okay. So almost right away I divide into 3 pieces because it's easier to work with.
We call this process kneading.
1, 2, and they can wait. And then we just knead the first one. And add as much flour as you can. If you don't add enough flour, it gets gooey and sticky and not very good. Okay, so this is the first one. I just finished it. It's now ready. And the second one.
The second one begins kneading.
Yeah.
And here's the way they look.
Drive yourselves to the Gojin Bra. Are you guys going for the fast forward? No.
Eventually there'll be 3 on the tray. Now you have 3 done.
Now I have the rice again. Cover them up. Go back onto the furnace and have the rice about an hour. And then they have to bake.
Okay, and they bake at what temperature?
400 for an hour and a half.
Okay. Okay. Lena's hembuggery.
Embroidered by my father.
Yeah.
I don't know when.
Okay.
This is how the bread looks.
Okay,
They're
so now
twice
you
the
see how
size.
much bigger they are.
At least twice the size. And it's been about an hour. And in they go at 400.
Okay.
And you put the timer on for an hour and...
Quarter?
no, an hour and a half.
Okay, it's
Half
now
a
about
seat.
4 a.m.
No.
The bread is finally done. Look at those babies.
What time is it? It's late.
It's 10 o'clock. You can smell it through the camera. And each one weighs a ton. Can feed a Polish army. And that's it.
And now we break them up and they lay like this, covered overnight.
To cool.
To cool.
Thanks, Lena.
Oh, you're welcome. Anytime.